All right, so welcome to this video. We're going to look at the corner widget, corner options. Um, so there's a couple of ways to do it. Basically, this yellow box is to edit the corners. You can also see here in the control panel, we've got the choice to do some other fancy bevel, inset, inverse, rounded. So if we say rounded, and then we could just increase that to, let's just try doing a ridiculous number there. It's always interesting to see what happens. So let's do alt clicks. Okay. So these are basically your corner shapes. To be honest, it's probably a little bit big to do it at that size. Let's try a 40 pixel on that. Let's see if we get something better. Yeah, see, that's more realistic, right? The one that I found kind of, I think probably the one that you'd probably want to use the most. This one is really unusual. So I wonder if we can do a shift. So we'll do shift. We have to hold down alt shift, then click the button. Don't think that's right. Yeah, it did seem to actually change the whole lot. Like, I don't think we can do, like, if we have that, there's no way to. There is also another menu for this. So yeah, so we could actually, yeah, I think if you wanted to do what I was just trying to do there, it looked like that it was doing it a bit too much. If I did wanted to do something, yeah, if you really want to have really sort of dramatic control on it, keep the preview on, right? Let's do like really dramatic here. So we'll start off with say, you know, it might be interesting. Trying to think like what would be like a cool corner style here. Two bells on this. I mean, that's not bad, right? You can actually get some quite interesting shapes, really by going overboard with the corner sort of shape options.